everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Midcode Education. In this video, I am going to explain about the recently asked coding guidelines questions and answers. Okay, 2025 related. Okay, so don't waste our time. Let's get started. First question: what is the main purpose of the ICT Tensium coding system? I think everyone you have to know about that. What does ICD? ICD means International Classification of Diseases 10 Clinical Modification. Okay, so it is completely related to diseases related codes. Let us check the options first of all. Option A, to code inpatient hospital procedures. Option B, to report laboratory findings. Option C, to classify and code diagnosis and reason for the healthcare encounters. And option D, to identify specific drugs used during surgery. The right answer is option C. Okay, to classify and code diagnosis and reason for the healthcare encounters. Second question: which of the following is true regarding the use of term unspecified in coding? It is a very important question. You have to mark the second question. Okay, unspecified, it means what is the use of this term? Option A, it should always be avoided. Option B, it is used when detailed documentation is not available. Option C, it represents a coding error. And option D, it replaces the need for a specific diagnosis code. The right answer is option B. It is used when detailed documentation is not available in the documentation. Okay, so in that particular cases, you have to use unspecified. Okay, that will become unspecified condition. Third question: what does CPT stands for? CPT, what is the full form of CPT? Option A, certified procedure terminology. Option B, current procedural terminology. Option C, clinical practice terminology. And option D, coded patient treatment. The right answer is current procedural terminology, option B. Okay. Fourth question: according to ICD Tensium guidelines, when coding multiple conditions, what should the order of codes reflect? Okay. Option A, alphabetical order. Option B, severity of the diseases. Option C, reason for the encounter followed by the secondary condition. And option D, the conditions listed in the provider's documentation. So, when coding multiple condition, one or two condition or multiple condition, what should the order of code reflect? The first code will be the reason, right? Okay. It's a reason for the admission or reason for the encounter. It will become primary code and the secondary code become the particular condition. So the right answer is option C, reason for the encounter followed by the secondary condition. Fifth question: which organization is responsible for maintaining the CPT code set? Okay, which organization? Here are the options. Option A, World Health Organization or WHO. You have to understand the short form and long term of this particular description. Okay. Option B, American Medical Association or AMA. Option C, Centers of Medicare and Medicare Services, CMS. Full form. Okay. Option D, National Center of Health Statistics, NCHS. The right answer is option B, American Medical Association, AMA. CPT is for AMA. Okay, CPT AMA. Sixth question: what is the guideline for coding confirmed COVID-19 cases in ICD Tensium? Coding COVID-19 cases is related to which type of codes or which type of alphabets? It's a very easy question. Let us check the options first of all. Option A, use code J12.89. Option B, use code U07.1. Option C, use code Z20.828. And option D, use code R05. The right answer is option B. It is completely related to U series of code or U07.1 related. Okay. And seventh question, what does the symbol triangle, okay, it's the symbol of triangle in the CPT manual indicate? Triangle indicate, option, here are the options: a new code. Option B, deleted code. Option C, revised code. Option D, modify required. The right answer is option C, revised code. Simple triangle is related to revised codes. Okay. So you have to check or understand the concept of every simple, full stop, colon, comma, everything. You have to you have an idea about the simple is indicate for what. Okay, so here triangle symbol is indicated to the revised code series. Eighth question, when should a coder use a combination code in ICD 10 cm? Here are the options. Only when two separate conditions are listed. When one code fully describes the condition and their associated manifestation. Option C, when the patient has more than 3 diagnoses. Option D, only for chronic condition. The right answer is option B, when one code fully describes the condition and their associated manifestation. In such a cases, you have to use, as a coder, you have to use the combination code. Ninth question, which of the following is considered a Z code scenario? Z code is for what? Option A, diabetes mellitus with complications. Option B, post-operative infection. Option C, annual physical exam. And option D, acute myocardial infarction. The right answer is option C, annual physical exam. Annual physical exam is related to Z code scenario. And the final question, or 10th one, in CPT coding, what does a modifier indicate? A modifier, it means option A, new procedure. Option B, a diagnosis description. Option C, additional information about the service or procedure. Option D, an insurance adjustment. The right answer is option C, additional information about the service or procedure. This is a correct answer. Okay guys, see you in the next video. I think it will be very useful for all medical coding students. Okay, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.